Buckle up, audio enthusiasts. It's time to dive into a fresh countdown of the best all-in-one soundbar that can simplify your setup and explode your movie nights. These compact marvels pack multiple speakers, built-in amps, and smart features into one sleek package, delivering punchy TV binge vibes without clutter. Today, I'm going to be going over the best all-in-one soundbar that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the JAV Smart Board Pro. This model, marketed as a complete interactive whiteboard solution, blends classroom-style learning with modern conference room versatility. In practice, the JAV Smart Board Pro presents a large 4,000 touch display with multi-point touch support, so several users can annotate content at once or carry it through slides while teachers and students engage in real-time collaboration. Built-in speakers deliver a surprisingly coherent soundstage that fills ordinary classrooms or compact meeting rooms, while the volume remains clean and distortion-free at reasonable listening levels. Connectivity is thoughtfully designed for modern setups. A broad set of inputs including USB-C, HDMI, and wireless casting keep devices from phones to laptops connected without cluttering desk space. The system ships with a suite of annotation tools, screen capture capabilities, and a cloud-friendly workflow that makes it easy to save notes, share boards, and project ideas across devices in seconds. User interface prioritizes speed and intuitiveness, letting first-time users toggle between present, annotate, and share modes, while advanced users can dive into the more granular controls for color calibration, calibration of touch sensitivity, and alignment of the screen with a projector or external display. From a sound tech perspective, the JAV Board Pro's built-in audio is not the showpiece, but it is adequate for daily notes and small group discussions. When you couple it with a dedicated room speaker system, the overall audio experience becomes robust enough to keep participants engaged without audio fatigue. Portability is notable, thanks to compact footprint and a reasonable weight that lets teams relocate the board to different classrooms or meeting spaces with relative ease, a practical advantage for schools, training centers, and hot collaboration events. The design language of the JAV Smart Board Pro emphasizes durability and ease of maintenance, with a sealed, dust-resistant profile and a straightforward mounting process that reduces setup time for new rooms or temporary spaces. As a total package, the JAV Smart Board Pro stands as a flexible, all-in-one solution for environments that require on-the-fly presentations, interactive demos, and collaborative ideation without needing a separate audio bar or external audio ecosystem. Compared to the Sonos Arc Ultra, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the JAV Smart Board Pro brings a portable, all-in-one interaction platform that doubles as an educational hub and a presentation engine that can keep pace with dynamic classroom activities. At number 4, we have the Sonos Arc Ultra. This is the flagship of the Sonos line, engineered to deliver immersive theater-class sound in a compact soundbar that can fit under most TVs and sit confidently on a credenza or mount above a display. The Arc Ultra channels sound with a wide front array and dedicated woofer pairing that, together with its advanced processing, creates an enveloping sense of space that feels bigger than the bar itself. One of its signature features is the Dolby Atmos decoding that gives height cues and precise object-based positioning in 3-dimensional space, so voices, effects, and ambient textures all arrive with cinematic clarity. Setup is designed to be painless. An HDMI EARC connection ensures robust bandwidth for high-resolution audio, while the Sonos app coordinates multi-room playback and authorizes voice assistance for hands-free control. And you calibrate the Arc Ultra to your room. TruePlay tuning uses the microphone to map out reverberations and adjust the equalization so dialogue remains intelligible even when the room is lively. Built-in microphones support voice assistance, enabling simple, hands-free commands, which is a boon when you want to adjust volume or switch inputs without reaching for a remote. Though the Arc Ultra performs brilliantly on film soundtracks and streaming music, it also shines in live TV dialogue, where clarity and presence make every line easier to follow. Its design emphasizes understated elegance with a premium metal grille and a clean silhouette that complements modern flat screens without drawing attention away from the picture. The Arc Ultra also participates in the broader Sonos ecosystem, so users who already own other Sonos speakers can enjoy synchronized playback, multi-room listening, and simple setup. Paired to the JAV Smart Board Pro, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the Arc Ultra is a dedicated audio device that excels at delivered sound quality rather than interactive room utility. But the combination of size, performance, and smart features makes it a natural center for living rooms and home theaters alike. At number 3, we have the Bose TV Speaker. This compact soundbar makes a strong case for those who want a clear, concise, dialogue-focused listening experience without a lot of extraneous frills. Bose has long emphasized speech intelligibility, and the TV speaker continues that tradition with a dedicated dialogue mode that accentuates vocal tracks and softens background noise. So conversations in late-night programming remain understandable even when the overall volume is kept modest. Design is unassuming, with a small footprint that fits neatly in front of most TV stands, and its form factor makes it an easy upgrade over older TV speakers for users who value quick installation and reliable performance. In terms of soundstage, the Bose TV speaker provides a balanced mid-range and crisp highs, with a gentle bass presence that is adequate for casual listening, gaming, or streaming. While it may not deliver the same room-filling impact as larger bars with dedicated subwoofers, its tight, controlled presentation excels in apartment settings or bedside setups where space is at a premium. Connectivity is straightforward. HDMI ARC for TV pass-through, optical input for legacy devices, and Bluetooth for wireless streaming keep this bar versatile in many homes. Bose's tuning philosophy is evident in the way it preserves voice clarity while still providing a pleasant overall tonal balance, avoiding the boomy or muddy pitfalls that can plague smaller bars. Movie nights or sports with a bigger audience, you might reach for something larger, but for daily TV viewing and crisp voice output, the Bose TV speaker remains a smart, economical choice. Compared to the Samsung HW S50B ZA, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the Bose TV speaker prioritizes compact, pure voice performance over expansive, cinematic immersion, delivering a crisp, distraction-free listening experience that pairs well with a clean, uncluttered living space. At number 2, we have the Samsung HW S50B ZA. Designed to slot neatly into contemporary living rooms, this soundbar emphasizes intelligent sound processing that adapts to your room and content. Samsung's acoustic AI room correction technology maps your space, then adjusts the equalization and surround cues to deliver balanced mids, clear dialogue, and a convincing sense of space without requiring a separate subwoofer. The soundbar itself houses multiple drivers arranged to produce a broad front soundstage, with a dedicated bass element that, when paired with the optional wireless sub, can extend the low end to satisfy deeper movie or game action. Compatibility is a strong suit here. It supports OTT streaming, voice control, and easy integration with Samsung TVS and other smart devices. But it also presents flexible inputs for non-brand ecosystems. Music lovers, the HZ profiles and dynamic range handling keep vocals intimate and instruments lively, avoiding harsh peaks while preserving musical nuance. Durability and build quality feel premium, a hallmark of Samsung's engineering, with a clean, minimal chassis and a discrete footprint that doesn't dominate the room. One nice touch is the compatibility with gaming setups. The bar processes positional audio with reasonable precision to help with situational awareness and immersion without overwhelming the listener with artificial surround cues. In daily use, the user experience is intuitive, with a responsive remote and straightforward app settings for speech enhancement, night listening, and equalization presets tailored to music, cinema, or sports. For households seeking a balanced, feature-rich bar that plays well with a range of devices, the Samsung HW S50B ZA offers compelling value. Compared to the ULTIMEA Aura A60, which I have included as number 1 on this list, the Samsung HW S50B ZA focuses more on room adaptive sound and overall practicality rather than flagship-wide range effects, delivering a compelling blend of clarity, warmth, and easy usability that makes it a standout mid-range choice. At number 1, we have the ULTIMEA Aura A60. This model represents a strong balance of output, features, and value in a single black box package with a stealthy presence that blends into most home theaters or family rooms. The Aura A60 emphasizes a robust 3.1 layout with a dedicated central voice channel and 2 side drivers that help widen the soundstage while maintaining precise articulation for dialogue and subtle instrument cues. When you pair the unit with a wireless subwoofer, the bass becomes more authoritative without overpowering the mids, creating a cohesive overall sound that works equally well for movies, sports, and music streaming. The bar's processing chain includes adaptive JRID to manage dynamic range, noise floor, and equalization so action scenes remain clear and predictable, even in less than ideal listening environments. Setup is straightforward. HDMI ARC or optical input provide reliable TV pass-through, while a compact app interface lets you tailor modes for movie, music, dialogue, or night listening. Build quality is solid, with a clean, modern chassis and a low profile that doesn't interfere with the TV stand, a detail appreciated by users who want a sleek, uncluttered space. The Aura A60 also takes a thoughtful approach to compatibility, supporting voice assistance for hands-free control and a stable wireless connection for multi-room or stereo pairing, should you choose to expand your home theater. In terms of real-world usefulness, The Aura A60 delivers a balanced sonic performance that satisfies most watchers and gamers without forcing you into a premium tier, making it particularly attractive to buyers who want a future-proof plug-and-play option. Compared to the Samsung HW S50B ZA, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the ULTIMEA Aura A60 leans into a more expansive, room-filling sound with a touch more bass authority, while still prioritizing clarity, ease of use, and seamless integration into modern home ecosystems.